Hello, Meg.
Hello,
Hi,
teacher.
Meg. Hi. How are you, Meg?
I'm fine.
That's good to know. Did you play with your brother in the park today? And did you swim? Did you go to the pool, Meg? Or no? Did you go to the pool?
No.
Oh, no, you did not. Okay. So please make yourself comfortable, Meg, and we will start now. Okay, so we will have your grammar animations of Unit 7, Lesson 2. Okay, for a moment. Let me prepare it real quick, Meg. Okay, wait. Okay,
Uh,
let me stop sharing and let me share my screen again, Meg. So in here, all you have to do is to fill in the gaps. Okay, look at the time, Meg. Look at the time. Now she eats blank at blank. She eats
uh, she is a snack
she eats a snack
at
at
3, 3, 300,
at 3
3, don't know.
3:30, Meng. Okay, look at the shorthand. It is pointing to 3 and 6. When we're talking about minutes, that is 30. So it is 3:30, Meng. She eats a snack at 3:30. Now, what about in here, Meng? He eats. He eats what? You are on mute, Meg. He eats. What does he eat?
No, no,
Oh,
no.
what do
He
you mean
eat
no?
dinner at 3,
Shorthand first. Shorthand first.
7, 3,
7.
7,
7. If the long hand is pointing to 3 and we're talking about the minutes, it means what is the time? 7.
45.
No, it's not 45. It
Uh,
has.
I know.
It is 7:15.
48.
No, it's not 7:48. Why would you say 48, Meg? It's in here. And it is 5, 10, 15, right? When we're talking about the minutes, Meg. Now, let us proceed to this one. Can you fill in?
She eat
She eats.
Dinner.
Is it dinner, Meg?
I know.
Look at the shorthand. Where is the shorthand pointing?
She eat. I don't know.
It's when do we eat breakfast, Meg? We eat breakfast in the morning, right? When do we eat lunch? We eat lunch in the afternoon, and we eat dinner in the evening. And here, Meg, the clock is pointing to.
Uh,
It's pointing to. Look at the timing. We're done talking about telling timing, so you know how to tell time now.
uh,
Tell me where the short hand is pointing and where the long hand is
it
pointing.
long.
Where is it pointing? Where is it pointing?
You know?
It's, why don't you know? It's pointing to 12.
Pointing.
Where is it pointing, Meng? Where is the shorthand pointing? Where is the shorthand pointing, Meng? Look at the clock and you will know.
Eat 12.
Okay, at 12. Okay, she eats lunch at 12.
At 12.
12. 12 what? 12. 12. You are on mute, Meng. You're on mute, Meng.
12.
Not 12:12, Meng. It's 12 o'clock. Okay, it's 12 o'clock. We won't say 12:12, Meng, because the long hand is not pointing after 2. Okay, it's pointing to 12. And what did I say? If it's pointing to 12, we won't say 60. Instead, we'd say o'clock. O'clock. Okay, so it is 12 o'clock. Now, what about in here? He eats.
She eat dinner.
He eats dinner. Look at the background, Meng.
I don't know.
Breakfast.
He eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Okay, yes, very good. 7 o'clock. There you have it. And we're done with that one. So we can proceed now to our main lesson. Okay, wait. So I hope you will remember that one, Meg. Let us now have a story with the title Time for Bed. Okay, let us watch this one, Meg.
Let's play, Dad. It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed. Mike, it's 11 o'clock.
Sorry, Dad. Good night.
Mike? Mike?
Let's play, Mike.
I'm tired. Good night, Dad.
Okay. Now the value of
Okay.
the value of that story, Meg, is to be healthy. Last night, Dad told Mike
Let's
to
play that. It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed.
time.
Mine is 11 o'clock. Sorry, Dad. Good morning.
Good night.
Good night. Mine. Let's play mine. I'm tired. Good night.
Okay, yes,
Dad.
there you have it, Meg. Okay, so the value of the story is to be healthy. When Dad told Mike to sleep early, he did not play. Instead, he played, Meg, under his blanket. So, in the next morning, what happened? He wasn't able to focus during his class. And at night, when Dad asked him to play, he said he's tired. What about you, Meg? What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep, Meg?
No.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
Bạn đi ngủ lúc mấy giờ?
It's 9.
What, Meg?
9 o'clock.
9. Oh, okay, that's early. And what time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
Uh,
What time do you wake up, Meg?
it's 9. Ah,
In the
no.
morning. In the morning, Meg.
It's 7.
Oh, at 7. Okay, wow, that's great. Now, Meg, let us have this one. Listen and encircle, tick or cross. Okay, let us hear it,
Page
Meg.
69. B. Listen and circle check or X. 1.
Let's play, Dad.
Okay, let's play, Dad. Is that a tick or a cross? Is that a tick or a cross?
Mm,
Yes, Meg. Is it a
mm,
tick, Meg, or a cross?
Cross.
Okay, can you encircle it? Where is your pen, Meg? Okay, thank
2.
you.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed. It's time for bed.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Meng.
3.
Good night.
Good
Good night.
night. Okay, and the last
4.
one.
I'm tired.
Okay, yes, very good, Meng. You nailed it. Now, since we're done with that one, let us have the singing activity with the title, What Time Is It? Okay, let's sing this one.
Page 69. C. Sing. What time is it?
Wake up,
What time is it?
it's time for
For
school. Wake up, it's 7:30.
7:30.
It's time for school.
Wake up. What time is it? It's time for school. Wake up. It's 7:30. It's time for school.
Good night,
What time is it?
it's time for bed. Good night, it's 9:15. It's time for bed.
Good night. What time is it? It's time for bed. Good night. It's 9:15. It's time for bed.
Okay, there you have it, Meg. Now let us proceed to this one. Use your pen to number it 1, 2, and 3, Meg, in order to make a story.
Good night, Mom. Good night.
Okay, that would be 1. What's the next one then?
I know. Let's play, Mom. It's 8
Okay.
o'clock. It's time for bed. Good
Mhm.
night, Mom.
Very
Good
good.
night.
Yes, there you have it, Meng, and it's done. Thank you for that. Now, what about for this one, Meng? Can you use your pen and match it? Can you match it, Meng?
Let's play that.
Mm-hmm.
It's 9:30. It's time for bed.
Oh, are you sure? Is it D? Is it D, Meng?
Huh?
No, it's not. It's not D. Look at the time. It is 9. Okay, yes, it's 9 o'clock. See, they look exactly the same. Are you sure, Meg? This one is
I'm not
correct. This one is
sure.
correct too.
Let's play it, Mom. Okay.
Okay, there you have it, Meg. And actually, in here you also have hints. See, they look exactly the same, Meg. She looks like her mom. He looks like his father. She looks like mommy. See? Now, let us proceed to this one. Right, Meng? Okay, so we'll not write. You have to tell me directly your answer. Okay, it's 7 o'clock. It's time for breakfast. Now, what about in here, Meng? It's 8:30. It's time for...
It's 7 o'clock. It's time
Mhm.
for break time. It's 8:30.
No. Mhm.
It's 8:30. It's 9:30.
It's
It's time
8:30.
work. 10
it's
buồn.
time for school, Meng. It's time for school. We don't have it's time for work here. We only have school. See, now what about for 3? What about
School.
item 3? Yes, what about 3, Meng? 3.
3.
Yes.
Lunch.
What is your it's what time is it?
12:15.
Okay, it's 12:15. It's continue,
Okay.
Meng. It's
Eat lunch.
it's time for lunch. Okay, not it's lunch. Now what about for 4? 4, we have here dinner. Dinner. Continue, Meng. What time is it, Meng? It's
6 o'clock.
it's
It's
6
6
o'clock.
o'clock and 10 for dinner.
It's 6 o'clock. It's time for dinner. Okay, it's time for dinner. Now, what we'll do, Meng, is that we'll answer this one again next meeting, and I want you to focus so you can answer it smoothly. Okay, thank you so much, Meng. And good night now, Meng.